Are you sick of me yet? I've got all of my guys fed now, and now it's time to feed me. I've been working on these shelves back here, and I've been working on them in the garage to kind of keep that smell out of the house. Let me turn this down. So anyway, I thought, since it's time to feed me, and I was working on those shelves, I thought I would kind of get on here with y'all and see what you thought about the height of them. And so I'm kind of looking at my tablet and everything to kind of see kind of what it looks like, because I can't see y'all over there real well. So let me tell you what we are. I'm going to make myself a pimented grilled cheese sandwich. And I've just got some butter, and I'm just going to put this in my skillet and get this going. Now I've got some of this Canadian bakehouse bread, and I keep this in the freezer, and then I just take out what I need and just let it defrost. And these are like whole size pieces and everything. And if you, and it, I didn't mean to talk about this, but if you can get the ones that are in the freezer section at your like health food store and stuff like that, the slices are like a real size bread. Okay, so while this is doing its thing, I'm gonna show you. Okay, you know, we were talking about Sunday afternoon on our live the shelves and how thick they were, and what I bought first was those 2-inch thick ones, and that is my son's gonna take them and use them in his chicken coop. Too heavy, and I'm not gonna put anything heavy up there, so it doesn't have to be that sturdy. But so I picked up these 1x12s, and so this is 1 inch thick. Let me see what it looks like here. And I don't know, I guess that'll be okay. What do y'all think? Do you think that 1 inch is okay? Let me see here if I see any comments. Hey Joyce! So I think it's going to be okay. And so the second, let me check on this. See what this other side looks like. It needs a little bit more time. And so I think the second shelf, see where that pink, the Post-it notes are? I think the top of that second shelf, I don't know y'all, I'm thinking it needs to be, hey Katina, I'm thinking it needs to be an inch higher. I was afraid that it was gonna be so high that it would be like out of range of the camera. But I think it's gonna be okay. I think it does need to be raised up an inch or two. What do y'all think? Hey Kathy Lee and Connie and Sue, y'all think it needs to be raised up? Just let me check on this. I don't want to burn my dinner. We'll go ahead and take these out. Yowzers, and put a little more butter in there. And I'm going to put this side down, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this down some. And I'm going to put some of my pimento cheese on this other half. And tomorrow, we may be out of pimento cheese by the time that video ever airs, but that'll be tomorrow. But anyway, I'm going to just make quick sandwich for me, and then I'm going to go down and ride the combine and the grain buggy and see if I can't get some footage for y'all. Okay. And I'm already taking my allergy medicine, and I'm waiting for it to kick in. It needs to hurry before I get down there. Okay, there we go. Put that one right there. Okay. Let's see what we think. Yeah, Connie, I think an inch or two higher is the way to go. And there's Miss Peggy in Mississippi. Hey, Karen. Hey, Gail. From Huntsville, Alabama. And Sue, you can't hear me. Check and see if your phone volume is turned up. But another thing, y'all, I'm using a Pixel Google camera. I'm going to go ahead and cut that off. A Pixel Google camera, and I have ordered 5 different microphones to work with it, and none of them will pair with the Google camera. And hey Shirley, hey Patricia, hey Kathy, hey Miss Patty, and I can't get any of them to pair, so I guess I need to go up to the AT&T store. And I know how to do stuff, y'all. I don't know why the same hill I can't get it to work. But I Googled 6 ways to Sunday. The one that I ordered that the Google people said, this is what you need, did not work. So, I don't know. I'm just I'm at a loss on what to do about the whole microphone. Hey, let's see. We got Rochelle from, East Texas, and Dinah in Mississippi. Yeah, the allergy medicine needs to kick in. I was outside a while ago, and there's a lot of dust and stuff in the air because people are cutting rice and corn, and I'm gonna go down probably about 1-ish and get on the combine with them. Hey Nancy, you can hear me just fine. Good deal. Well, all right, so the consensus is the second shelf needs to be moved up an inch or two, and y'all can still see it. So we're going to do that. And okay, let's look at here. We're just playing like we're girlfriends. Okay, yeah, I think that okay, so here's what my thought was. If that 1 inch looked too dinky, because I really want it to look more massive, I am the queen of faux and fake. And so I told my husband, I said, if I can't find, I'll just get a decorative piece of wood to go on the front and the side over here by the door, and then it will look like it's thicker, but it won't be, because it's like the magic of TV around here, huh? All right, let's cut this sandwich. And this morning I did a live, and I was making my husband his main sandwich that he gets in his dinner bucket, and that was a belt, but it didn't have any lettuce and tomato on it. It was just a hamburger with a scrambled egg on top of it for extra protein. Let's see here. I have an echo. Miss Martha? Yes, I do. And Cheryl is coming on. Patricia can hear me. And Donna. Yeah, I think they need to maybe turn their volume up. I'm going to have to do something with the acoustics in here, because there's not any fabric. There's a little Parsons chair over there, and there's a throw rug at the door. But there's really not any fabric in here. And so I think I'm going to have to figure out something to help with the acoustics so I don't sound like I'm in a barrel all the time. Did I move, Paula? No, I did not move. Okay, let me tell you, that's going to get cold while I'm talking to y'all. And that's fine. Okay, my kitchen here at home, that's the white, keep making a mess, the white kitchen. It's really small. It's in the middle of the house. And I've got 2 light boxes, and I've got my tripod. And it's dark in there, so I have to have all the light boxes I can get. And so, you know, I cook, whenever I cook something for y'all, we are fixing to sit down at the table and eat it. It's not staged. I'm not baking it just on an average Tuesday at 3 o'clock and then throwing it away or whatever. We're eating it, and we can't get around in our kitchen, y'all. So if there's something that I can, this was a spare bedroom, and it's got French doors that go out to the east, and it's away from the rest of the house. And so if my husband is in the den wanting to take a nap after dinner, or if he's got some of his farmer friends in the office and all that stuff, you know, I had to be quiet. Well, I didn't have to be quiet. I chose to be quiet because happy spouse, happy house. Okay, let's see. I saw something. Somebody said Arkansas. Hey, did I see somebody say something from Arkansas? Oh, where in Arkansas am I? Northeast, yes. We live on the farm south of Jonesboro. And and that's like 45 minutes. So if you have to go to the doctor, or if you need to go do any real shopping, that's about how far you have to go. It's about 45 minutes. Then we have a cabin in Cleveland County. Oh my gosh. Y'all, if you have not made a grilled cheese and use pimento cheese, you are missing a lick. And pimento cheese also is really good when you're making a order of sausage balls. To use that instead of the cheese and the cream cheese and all that. Gives it so much flavor. And, you know, you can make grilled cheese, and a Juicy Lucy is what I made Monday with the Canyon Bakehouse brioche buns. And that's 2 thin hamburger patties with cheese in the middle. And so then you mash it around, and it's delicious. It is delicious. Hey, and there's Connie. Live in Hoxie Walnut Ridge area. Yeah, a sweet little lady that works at our post office, Jessica, is from your area. She is darling. I saw her this morning when I went and mailed a bunch of cookbooks. All right, so the consensus is shelf needs to be higher. And we're going to talk Sunday when we're going to do a recap of what all we've done this week. You know, the pictures on the wall that were not in the right place, we'll talk about those. I've hung something over there that you can't see, but when we get horizontal and all that kind of stuff, you'll be able to see it. All right, y'all. I'm going to eat this before it gets any colder. And I appreciate your input on the top of the Post-it notes. That's where that 6-foot shelf is going to go. And then right here, somehow or other, I'm going to make a copper pot rack. And I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it because I'm the queen of faux fakeness. So, I'll see y'all next time. Oh, what else do I put on my sandwich? On this grilled cheese sandwich, I didn't put anything. I just had butter and bread and pimento cheese. Now, you could put a slice of tomato on it if you wanted to, or you could put pickles. You know, it's your kitchen. You can just kind of do your thing. And on this, the burger that I cooked my husband this morning, I put, I gotta have my hands, I guess I'm half Italian. I just use regular bread because he doesn't have to be gluten-free. And I cooked the burger. You can go back and watch that live if you want to see kind of how I did it. And I cooked it on my George Foreman, just regular hamburger. And then in my little iron skillet, I mixed up an egg like you was going to scramble it. And I put some bacon grease in my little skillet. And I poured the egg in there and I left it alone. I don't like to put a fried egg on a sandwich, especially when he's bouncing around on a tractor, because he's going to wear egg yolk. And that's not a good look for anybody. And so I just let it sit in there until it's completely cooked, and then I flipped it, cooked it on the other side, and put it on the burger. And the sauce that I use, and we'll make that together sometime, it's just a hamburger sauce that he likes, and we'll make that together. And then I put a homemade bread butter pickle on it. It didn't even make it to the field. I thought I was going to have to take it down there, and here comes diddly bopping through the back door. The sandwich didn't even, I got through talking to y'all. I took the sandwich and the pimento cheese sandwich that I made in there. Did I make him pimento cheese? Yeah, pimento cheese sandwich. I've lost my mind. And there he is. So he stands in the kitchen and eats that sandwich. So it was good and hot by the time he got to it. Oh, Deborah. Yes, I had tried, you know, Duke's mayonnaise is my very favorite. I had tried using mayonnaise instead of butter. And I've done it 4 or 5 different times with different brands of mayonnaise. 100% of the time, it gives me heartburn. Why is that? I can eat mayonnaise on a hamburger, on a sandwich, but whenever it's melted in this, on bread, it gives me heartburn, and I don't understand that. I'm not bad to get heartburn, and so I don't really understand why that does it, but it tastes great. It's crisp. It's perfect. It gives me heartburn. So for those reasons, I don't do that for me. But if it doesn't give you heartburn, I recommend it, because, you know, mayonnaise is just eggs and oil, so I mean, it's not going to hurt you. Hey, Miss Donna is from Benton, Arkansas. Hey, almost neighbor. Okay, y'all, I'm going to let you get back to your day. You're probably not going to see me the rest of the day. I'm going to be on a combine and a grain buggy, and then probably go by the grain bins and see what LJ's doing, because we're dumping corn in the grain bins there on the farm. So, I'll see y'all next time. Enjoy your lunch, or as we say here on the gravel, enjoy your dinner. So, I'll see you next time. Go do something fun. Bye, y'all. And thank you so much for tuning back in and helping me decide on that shelf up there, because y'all see me more than I see me, and I want y'all to be happy because y'all my buddies. So, see y'all next time. Bye, y'all. You got to make one of these sandwiches. Y'all are so good.